Hi, today I'm going to be doing a video on how to use AirDrop on Apple devices. You'd be surprised at the number of people who don't know how to do this. So here we go.
Oh, ow, back, ow, gosh, ow.
For this video, I have my iPhone and my friend's tablet. Thank you, friend, for letting me use your tablet for this video. I'm not going to share anything of his. That's private, and I appreciate him way too much to do that. But anyway, let's get to the point because I want to make this be a quick video. So in order for AirDrop to work, you're going to want to first make sure that your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is on. And you can also make sure that AirDrop will work by making sure this is lit. And you can also change how your AirDrop works by sending it to only contacts or only to yourself via receiving off, whatever. I usually have that on, but for this video I have contacts only. And if you need to send something to someone outside of your contacts, you can select everyone, but for this video I am choosing contacts only. So I have taken a random picture on his iPad of me because, you know, I'm fabulous. I'm going to select this image, come up to share. I'm going to select me with the little AirDrop icon, poof, and then it shows up on my phone. I will hit accept, and then it shows that I have this photo. Not once, but like twice, because I have screwed this up multiple times already. You'd think this would be an easy video, but apparently not. Then, of course, on an iPhone, it works fairly similarly. So you just find a photo, sure, hit share, and select AirDrop, select my friend, poof, and now he has this photo. And of course you can do the same thing over here. So I can select an image, hit share, select AirDrop, and you can select the people. But you can do this with more than just photos and videos. You can do this with other apps, assuming that they actually work. So let's say you both use the same recipe saving app. You can send a recipe to a friend via the share options. So let's say I don't know, what's something I want? So once we're into the recipe that we want, we can click up top. This is in the app Paprika, if you're wondering what it is. I can hit the three dots. I can select AirDrop, come up to AirDrop, and then we can find me. And then it will give me a little pop-up thing. I'm going to accept that, and it will open up in the Paprika app, and then I can save it to wherever I want to save it. So that is how, So that is how you AirDrop files from device to device, and of course you can do it to yourself, but you'll just select like your MacBook or your other device. It's not just contact to contact. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a big thumbs up, and you can subscribe and see my previous video in the end card, and I'll see you guys next time in a less awkward angle. Okay, bye! Okay, ow!